Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add video to Shopify product page. This is very easy. You have to go to the product section. Now this is one of the product which I want to add a video. Now you have to go to the media section. In the media section you can add photo, video, and to add a video there's another section you can add a video in the description which I will show you. Now I just added a video here which got failed. Maybe there could be a issue of size and everything. So as you can see here, drag any images, videos, 3D models and files, right? So make sure that you have the appropriate size to upload a video on your Shopify. Now, if you don't know how to get the perfect size, you can use this website, right? This website might help you to reduce the size of your video. As you can see here, they have given the exact reason that it should be MP4 file and typically smaller than the other video formats such as AVI and MOV. And for example, the video should be 1920 1080p pixel, right, and lower the bitrate. It's great. So you can just use this, and you can use this any of the compression tool to reduce this video size, and once optimized you will able to upload a video into your Shopify store. So in this format you can only upload the video, but if you try to upload a normal video which the size is very big, then of course you're going to face an issue. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video, this information really useful. If you did, subscribe.